Hello children, welcome to Anupam Public School College channel. I am presenting for the class 2nd subject English, chapter number 2. So we will study chapter number 2, subject English for the class 2nd. Title is The Monkey Orchestra. Orchestra means group of musicians or group of dancers, songs. We can call it orchestra. Now this story is about the famous comic character Mowgli. He and his friend Baloo were feeling bored and wanted to have some fun. Let us read this interesting story how Mowgli, Baloo and some monkeys entertained themselves. Now we will start reading. Mowgli was a little boy who lived in the jungle. The name of the boy was Mowgli and he was living in the jungle. Jungle means forest. One day he was walking through the jungle singing a happy song. He was walking on a street or he was walking in the jungle and he was singing a song, a very happy song. On the way he met his friend Baloo the bear. The name of the bear was Baloo. On the way, when Mowgli was walking through the jungle and singing a happy song, he met his friend bear. Name was Baloo. What a beautiful song, said Baloo. It is sad that there is no music to go with it. Baloo, when Mowgli was singing a happy song, Baloo met him on the way and Baloo said that what a beautiful song. It is sad that there is no music to go with it. If there was, it would be really nice. Baloo saying that there is no music with the song which you are singing, and if there was a music, it would be really nice. Suddenly means occurring unexpectedly. There was a sound in the branches of the tree above them. Baloo and Mowgli looked up. Branches means limbs, or you can say branches means limbs, or you can say bark of a tree. So there was a sound in the branches of the tree above them. Baloo and Mowgli looked up. It was the monkeys screaming and shouting. The monkeys always made a lot of noise. Now suddenly they heard a sound which was coming from the branches of the tree. Baloo and Mowgli looked up. What they saw that the monkeys screaming and shouting, and monkeys always made a lot of noise. We heard you, they chattered. Heard means listened. Chattered, talked fast. Chattered, talked fast. We will make music for you. We would be very happy. We, here we means we is monkeys. Monkey, the monkey says that they will make music for them and we will be very happy for that. Now said Balu, we would be very happy, said Balu. But how can you? Balu said, but how can you? You do not have any guitars, drums or any musical instruments like that. When the monkey says that we will be make music for you and we will be very happy, then Balu said Balu, we would be very happy. Balu said that it will be very nice for us if you will make a music for us. Now but how can you? You don't have any guitars or drums or any musical instruments. But the monkeys just laughed. We do not need any of them, they cried. When Balu said that you don't have any instruments, then monkeys just laughed and said that they do not need any of them, they cried. The monkeys jumped over to an old hollow hole that was lying on the ground. Then the monkeys jumped to an old hollow means hole which was lying on the ground. They hit it with their hands and made a nice sound. Dub, duba, dub. Sorry, dug, dub, duba, dub. Dub, duba, dub. The sound was, they hit it with their hands and made a nice sound. Dub, duba, dub. This sound was made by the monkeys. Dub, duba, dub. Some of them brought some dried gourds with seeds in them and started shaking them like rattles. Device which gives out rapid succession of short, sharp sound. Rattles means device which gives out rapid succession of short, sharp sounds. Some of them brought some dried gourds with seeds in them and started shaking them like rattles. Chang, 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 changa, chang. Chang, 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 changa, chang. Some of them tied some long plants to a couple of branches and began playing them. Twang, twang, they went. Twang, 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 twanga, twang. The music was twang, twang. Twang, 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 twanga, twang. What a wonderful music band you make, said Mowgli. When Mowgli heard the music, twang, 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 twanga, twang, he said that this music, it's a very wonderful music you all have made. So Mowgli sang his song and his monkey band played along with him. The sound of the band was so good that Balu just had to dance and sing along. Boppity doo da, boppity doo. What a lovely time they had. Music is dance. The sound of the band was so good that Baloo just had to dance and sing along. Boppedy doo da, boppedy doo. What a lovely time they had. Now here word meanings are given. Jungle, forest, herd, listen, hollow hole, rattle device which gives out rapid succession of short sharp sounds, branches, limbs or bark of a tree, band, group of musicians. Now we will see comprehension skills. Exercise time, objective type questions. A. Tick the correct options. Number 1. Who was Mowgli? A boy, a bear, a monkey. Mowgli was a boy. The correct answer is a boy. Where did Mowgli live? Number 2. A. In the forest, on a farm, in a city. Correct is A. In the forest. Who was Mowgli's friend? The monkeys. B. Baloo. C. The monkey and Baloo. Answer is B. Now 4th. What did the monkeys want to do? To make music, to sing along, to sleep. A is to make music, B to sing along, C to sleep. So correct is to make music. 5th, what did the monkeys do with the hollow log? They shook it like a rattle. B, they hit it with their hands to make a sound. They wanted to sleep on it. Correct is they hit it with their hands to make a sound. What did the monkeys do with the hollow log? Now, number B. State whether the following statements are true or false. 1. Mowgli was a little boy who lived in the jungle. The sentence is true. Now, second, on the way, he met his friend Baloo the monkey. This is also what? True. Now, the monkey always made a lot of noise. Yes, this is also true. Mowgli didn't like the monkey band. No, false. Now, subjective type questions. See, answer the following questions. Who was Mowgli? First question is, who was Mowgli? We will write answer for the class. Second, chapter 2 for the class. Second, chapter 2, subject English. Name of the chapter is The Monkey Orchestra. First question, answer the following question. First question is, who was Mowgli? Answer number 1. Mowgli was a boy, was a little boy who lived in the jungle. Now second question, who was screaming and shouting? Answer number 2. Monkeys were screaming and shouting. The monkeys were screaming and shouting. Now, question number 3. Who met Mowgli on the way? Baloo, a bear, Balu. The bear Balu. Answer, who met Mowgli on the way? The bear Balu met Mowgli on the way. Now, question number 4. Where did the monkeys jump? The monkeys jumped over to an old hollow log. The monkeys jumped over to an old hollow log that was lying on the ground. Answer number 5. Question is for the 5. What did all the monkeys do for having fun? What did all the monkeys do for having fun? The monkeys hit the monkeys hit the monkeys hit to an old the monkeys hit it to an old hollow log with their hands and made a nice sound. Question number 5. What did all the monkeys do for having fun? Answer is, the monkeys hit to an old hollow log with their hands and made a nice sound. So, this was the answer the following questions for the chapter 2, class 2nd. Answer number from 1 to 5th. The question is in your book, and you have to complete your book also, objective type questions, and write in your copy, answer the following questions. Thank you.